Today we're going to play this game. Everyone's saying name the game called it is really this. And we'll go ahead playing this. Today we're making some demolition water tower. First, we will go on the first one, this tower. We will actually make it fail. So this tower is like everyone is doing this. Let's do a cut. Okay, it's falling down. Oh, that was a good one. Let's start a small tower. Let's see if the small tower is making this as fun. Okay. Hey, there's small one, big one. Okay, this one will make a good view. Oh, it's filling. Okay, it's filling. It's filling. Oh, that was super cool. I want to spend admin on this game. This water tower fell. Yo, that was super cool. Why this water tower demolition? What? That water tower demolition. Let's see this water tower make a cool one. No. Oh! Ah! Okay. Okay. Oh! Okay, it's filling. Oh! Oh, this is a water. Where's the water tower that fell? Yo, that was the biggest. It was in the house. I know it was in the house. It fell something in the house. Like. They far away. Look, I can literally see the water tower fell there. That is not that far. want to see it. Okay. I can see it. Oh, that was a pretty good. Yo, what the? Should we do the next one? I will restart. Okay, we're playing. I'll search some more. There is more water tower failing. You? Okay. I'll see some more water tower Roblox fail. Okay, risk. This water tower might be crazy. This water tower is like so high than every tower. What happens if it actually crashes? We got it. Yo, what the hell is that? Oh, 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 oh! Oh! That was super fail. Okay, that was the biggest water tower I ever seen in my life. Look, how long is it? If you're buried so far on this water tower, it might just crash it on you. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the small water tower. The small water tower will actually... Small water tower only make useful views. I saw that in Google. Like, okay, but I like that water tower. Three, two, one. That did it. Why this water tower? Okay, it's falling, it's falling. Oh! Oh! That got near from me. Oh, 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 oh! Okay, this water tower almost crashed to my... Now the ba. This one will actually get straight to me. If you have... Oh! That... Oh, that probably... Let's reset. Bro, that water tower is so close. Now we got the Eiffel water tower. Okay. That was pretty good. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed this water tower demolition.